Hello, welcome back to my channel. In most of my videos where I'm doing like an overhead view, you've been seeing this here, and that's actually what I've been using as my camera holder, that table right there. And so I realized I've actually haven't done a review on this particular item, which is the Tea Times table and chair set, and I figured I still have all the pieces, so well, that's a lie. I have most of the pieces. So I just looked at the box. I realized I don't have those doilies there. They were plastic, or not plastic, they were paper doilies, and I decided to go ahead and pack those up with a bunch of other American Girl paper goods um, so they wouldn't get damaged, but I've got most everything else. So I wanted to take a moment to show this off, and then I will be using it in an Easter scene or a springtime party scene. So I'm going to take a pause, get set up for reviewing, and I'll be back soon. Okay, so normally I think I would do the bigger pieces first in a review, but for this I am going to do the little accessories that come with it. I will say, so yeah, here's the table right here. What makes this set worth it is the table. This is metal. It's wonderful. It's heavy duty. I've been using it as a phone stand. It's wonderful, and I love the color. But that's the table. I want to focus on the little pieces that go with it first, and unfortunately, they are mostly plastic, and not even like that good quality plastic. Um, I I think piece by piece, a reason I really wanted this, besides the table, which is beautiful, is that I have Blair's Farm restaurant, and a lot of this really blends in nicely with that set as well. So I am, I think I really wanted the table, but I got these pieces will also still be used, but they are plastic. The plates, or I guess, yeah, these are plates because of how this is set up. These are plates. Sometimes these are called chargers. If there was a plate on top of it, then this would be the plate and this would be the charger. But um, these are actually going to be the saucers for the teacups because of how this set is organized. Um, so this would be the plate. There's two of them. They're just little plastic plates. There are two saucers. They're white on that side and blue on this side, and then they go with the little teacups. Now the teacups have this really adorable little bee and flower design. They fit perfectly in the saucer. They're just a great, cute little addition, and there's two of those as well. Then we've got the tiered tray table. So I love these. I have several that I personally own for like human size, and I think they're great. This one, of course, is all plastic, but I think it's cute. This is definitely something you could DIY yourself. Pretty straightforward, not with plastic, but with other materials, and actually get something that looks quite nice. And then the food, there are dreaded attached macarons, but that's actually really not what annoys me. What annoys me is that they're not all like the only one that's the same is like orange, but then everything else is different. I'm like, that makes no sense. Like, do two sets of three different colors or the same identical set of three. I don't know why that bothers me. It really shouldn't. It's such a minor thing. These are one, again, also, I think the bigger thing that annoys me is it doesn't look like there's any filling in these macarons. So it's got the characteristic feet of a French macaron, but there should be some filling in there, and if there is, it's just so tiny and not a different color that you can't tell. These would be a really good item to DIY with, actually probably with some hot glue and letting it dry. Or there are so many wonderful doll food artists on the internet these days. I'm sure you can find much better looking macarons than those. Then we've got the little sandwiches. I'm not quite sure what type of sandwiches these are. I wonder if it says on the box. It just says two sandwiches on the box, so you can take your pick. Are they cucumber sandwiches? Are they chicken salad and spinach sandwiches? What are they? They're just pretty standard American Girl sandwiches, cut into triangles. And then we have these. I'm pretty sure these are reused from Grace's Bakery or Bake Card or something from Grace's collection, but they are adorable. These are probably my favorite aspect of, well, besides the table itself, but out of the food, these are my favorite. And in terms of linens, we have two dainty napkins. They're identical. They have an awful tag on the back, but they're dainty. They've got this little gold embellishment there. And then I absolutely love this table runner. If you get the kitchen that's currently out now, this pattern here is used in the apron and the hot pad of that set. But for this set, it matches the cushions of the chair. So I'm going to take a pause, get these set up, and show you the chairs and table together. And then here is the whole complete set. So like I said, the fabric or edging the table runner is the same fabric as the cushions. These cushions can be removed. They're just tied on the back, but these are the original ties that actually came pre-tied, so I'm just gonna leave them because I'm not always the best bow tire. But yeah, you can hear like this is a pretty hefty piece. The money that you spend is definitely in the table and the chairs, and then you kind of get these cute little extra pieces just as an extra. Overall, I think it's an adorable table set. I love the color. I don't like how the color is showing up on my phone right now. It seems it's like a much darker blue, and I don't think that's really accurate. I think it's more of a teal green color. I don't know why it's showing up as so blue. It's definitely more of a teal green color, which is one of my favorite colors. Also maybe why I bought this. I will say that the tiered tray is a little bit small to hold all the treats, which is why I put the sandwiches on the plates already, but overall it's an adorable set. And in my next video, I'll have it set up for a spring party for Easter. Thanks for watching.